Hello, my name is Morgan Shang. I'm a core institute member at the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard. I'm also a professor of neuroscience at MIT. I've been at the Broad Institute for about 2 years. Before that, I spent 10 years in the San Francisco Bay Area, where I was head of neuroscience research and early development at Genentech, a leading biotech company.
My name is Brett Abrams, and I'm thrilled to be here with all of you today and to be involved in CureSHANK. My background, I have a PhD in neuroscience and spent many years trying to find genes that cause or contribute to different neurological disorders and then understand how they do that. So I work now actually in biotech where I'm involved in trying to get to new medicines for these same conditions. And I got excited about CureSHANK after spending time with Abby and Geraldine and Paulina, seeing their passion and understanding their vision for what CureSHANK could be.
Hi, my name is Walkatonic, and it's great to be part of this webinar. I'm the father of three wonderful children, and I spend most of my days working on finding therapies, initiating drug discovery for patients with rare genetic diseases. I'm particularly drawn to CureSHANK's mission because of how much of a difference I believe we can make for these patients, but also because of how much of a foundation there is, how much strong science there is that really gives us hints and clues on the ways that we might be able to come up with therapies and think about treating patients with Phelan-McDermid syndrome.
Jameel Bagg is a partner at 5AM Ventures, a venture capital firm that provides seed and early-stage investments. Its client portfolio consists of firms in the biopharmaceutical, life sciences, and medical device industries. Jameel invests in companies that bring new medicines and devices to market for healthcare consumers.
My name is Federico Bologna, and I am a physician. I have been working in clinical drug development for many years in big pharmaceutical companies and lately in small startup biotech companies. My major professional interest has always been the development of new medicines to help people living with brain disorders and brain conditions. More specifically, I have done a lot of clinical research and many drug development projects in neurodevelopmental disorders and rare diseases.
My name is Dr. Shafali Jeste, and I'm a pediatric neurologist here at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. I'm the chief of neurology here at CHLA. I specialize in neurodevelopmental disabilities, and in particular, I both take care of and study infants and children who have genetic causes for their neurodevelopmental disorders. And so it was a perfect marriage in some ways when I got to meet Geraldine and her team and was able to be an advisor for CureSHANK. So super exciting time in our field. You know, I feel like we're beyond even just hope. We're actually at a point where we have actionable plans. And now when I give a genetic diagnosis to a family, I can say, look, here's 3 or 4 clinical trials that your child can be a part of. Or here's a study that we're doing to understand clinical endpoints so that when the trial is ready, we are ready to go.